Hello everybody, how you doing today? As you can see, I've got a lot of stuff to kind of get through. It's been sitting here for, geez, this stuff's been sitting on this table since about Christmas. I got a whole lot of locomotives I need to test. A bunch of stuff to get done here. But I was thinking maybe we'll get this. Get this out, get the couplers on it, get some wheels on it, get it cleaned up. Leave the skylight on its neck, get that glued down proper. Just get it all cleaned up and running and see how it goes. Alright, we're back here in the shop here and getting them cleaned up, replacing couplers. I was going to replace the wheels on it. Turns out they're steel shaft, metal on one side and plastic on the other, so they're set up to be lighted cars, though I don't see any wiring and lighting, but they roll fantastic, just absolutely great. So I'm just going to leave those on there. Like I said, they're steel on one side, steel shafted, so unless I'm going to really run these a lot, then I would switch them over, but it's there's just no way I think I should be switching these out. So as you can see, they're really dirty though. I'm getting them cleaned up, so they'll be decent on the track. Alright everybody, we got them all cleaned up and couplers going and wheels cleaned and repaired the observation deck, got that reinstalled. So I think we are ready to go put them on the track and see how they run. Well, alright everybody, we got it out, cleaned up, and got all the couplers and everything on it. And I believe we're ready to give it a run. So let's go ahead and give this thing a little bit of juice. Turn it up a little bit. Alright, how about we slow it down a little bit? Alright everybody, as you can see, it's working pretty good. And pull it in, let you get a little last quick look at it. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed.